Welcome back, guys. So today is day 2 of the 90 days online income challenge. Yesterday we talked about the truth behind making money online. We established that making money online is real and it's possible, but before you can make money online, you need to have a skill, you need to offer value, and you need to be consistent. We established those yesterday. And so today we are answering a very important question. Why do many Nigerians try to make money online but never succeed? Yes, guys, I know there are people watching me that have tried several things online and yet no result to show for it. We are just going to dive straight into it. The reason why many Nigerians try to make money and fail, they don't succeed at it. Number one, they keep chasing quick money. Today they are doing crypto, tomorrow they are doing drop shipping, next tomorrow they are doing forex trading. There is no concentration whatsoever. They just want it now. If they try crypto today and it's not working out today, tomorrow they are already trying out something else. Guys, the point is this: you cannot make money online trying to do everything at the same time. You need to focus on something. You need to pick one thing, focus on it, learn the process for you to make money from the online space. Successful people don't chase many opportunities. They choose one path, learn it very well, concentrate on it, give it their 100, and so they see results. So the point is not you doing 100 things at the same time. The point is not you doing forex trading, content creation, crypto, drop shipping. No, the point is for you to choose one at a time. Concentrate, focus on it, develop your skill around that particular one that you've chosen, and be consistent at it. Then you will start seeing results. That is one thing you need to do. The second reason why many Nigerians are not making money online is this: they don't want to learn a skill. I know how many times I've been preaching this on my channel. Go learn a skill. It is important for you to have a skill, a high income skill for you to make money. But no, many people don't want to learn. They just want everything easy peasy. In this 90 days income challenge, you need to understand that nothing good comes easy. If you've not heard it before, please hear it from me. Nothing worthwhile, nothing good, nothing tangible comes easy. I see many people come online, they are searching for how to make money online without doing anything. Like, you just want to be sleeping and be making money. Come on, you don't want to do anything. The better question you should be asking is, what skill can I learn right now that people are willing to pay for? What is that thing that people are willing to, give their money for? What is that thing that people are yearning for? That is where the money is online, and that is the skill you need to go learn. So just know it at this point that for you to succeed on the online space, you need to learn a skill. You just need to know how to do something. If it's content creation, fine. If it's copywriting, fine. If it's drop shipping, fine. If it's online marketing, fine. If it's how to edit videos, as easy as how to edit video is a skill. If it's graphic design, you just need to know how to do something. Go learn a skill. And note, you don't need to master all of them. Just pick one or two and focus on it. Hear this: skills create opportunity that luck never can. It is not luck. You see people, oh, they are just lucky, that is why. No, they are not just lucky. They are actually putting in the work. The skill is there and they are showing up for it. That is when you see yourself making money online. So go learn a skill today. I mean, if you don't know what skill to learn, I can actually give you some. I can give you some high income skill that you will learn during the course of this particular challenge. So stay tuned. Mistake number 3, why many Nigerians are not making money online, is that they are too afraid to start. Yes, they have actually watched enough videos. Yes, they attend webinars. Yes, they bought courses. Yes, they do this. But guys, they are so afraid to start. Some of you watching me right now, you have been following me for a while and you've been telling yourself that you want to make money from the online space. Some of you have bought my courses, but guess what? You never start. You never implement. You are afraid. What if? What if? What if not? Yeah, I'm asking you, what if not? Let me tell you something. Every successful online entrepreneur you see today, they actually started as a beginner. They had that phase where they were, they were struggling, they were pushing, but guess what? They never gave up. Guess what? They never let procrastination eat them up or swallow them up. They actually were bold enough to start. For you to make money online, you need to start. For you to be successful online, you need to start. You just need to discipline yourself. You need to force yourself to start. And it doesn't need to be perfect. You don't need to be perfect. There is nothing like perfection at your initial stage. Some of you are waiting till everything is well set up. You're waiting for everything to be this. You're waiting for the money to buy that equipment, to buy. No, start where you are. As you grow, you will definitely see how to put things together, and the process keeps getting better. Mistake number 4, why many Nigerians fail at making money online, is that they quit too early. They quit too early. You post a video today, you get 2 views, 3 views, you just conclude, no, it's not working for me. You post your product on Instagram, okay, no sale is coming at the initial stage, you just conclude that it's not working, you give up. You actually create a course, you market your course, and you get just 2 sales in a month. You're already giving up that this is so hard, this is not working, and you close that chapter. Let me tell you something. Success takes time. If nobody has told you this before, only is telling you today. Success takes time. It doesn't come easy. It takes time. It takes momentum. It takes your consistency. It takes your persistence. You need to persist. You need to keep pushing. You need to keep showing up. Not when you do something today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, you're saying, no, I'm not getting the views, my videos are not trending, my videos are not going viral. You need to keep showing you. Just know it at this point that the internet rewards what? Consistency. People are always saying consistent, and you just get used to the word that you forget what it actually means. Consistency means you keep showing up even when nothing is looking good at the moment. You don't give up. You don't relax. You keep putting out those content. You keep posting those products. You keep improving on that skill you have. You keep looking for ways to improve, to make it better, to make better content, to edit better videos, to make better designs. You keep improving and you keep showing up. That is consistency. Consistency is not doing the same thing every day. If that's why you've been taking consistency to be, then you're getting it all wrong. Not you're doing the same thing. Oh, I've been making this type of video and I keep making, I don't improve on my videos. If you go down my channel, you will see that when I started my content, it was not this clear. When I started, I was not this this fluent with speaking. No, I was doing those filler words were everywhere. But guess what? I did not relax. I kept, working on myself. I kept improving on my skills, and this is where we are. We are getting better by the day. Don't quit just because things are not working out now. You might just be a video away from your success. You might just be a post away from your breakthrough. That particular content you are supposed to post today that you failed to post just because you're discouraged, that might have been the content that will blow you up. But guess what? You did not post it because you're discouraged. So what am I saying? Don't quit now. Give it time. Give it what? Give it time. Water the process. It is very practical. A farmer doesn't go to his farm today, sow a seed today, and stand right there to harvest it today. It doesn't work. It takes time, right? The farmer comes, watch the seed, water it, weed. When wheat comes around, he removes the weed, and patient. You see what you planted yesterday, it started sprouting, it is growing, the leaves are coming out, and after some time, you can actually see that, oh, there is a result for my days of planting. What am I saying? Don't quit early. Don't give up. Keep pushing. Mistake number 5, why many Nigerians are not making money online, is they don't build trust. Let me tell you something. Trust is one of the most valuable assets you can build online. People need to trust you before they can buy anything you're selling to them online. If there is no trust, there is no money. You can't make money without trust online. The online space, if you're always showing up, always telling people do this, always posting spammy content, you ask them to go click on this website that they are going to make money, and they click on it, they're not making money. They will not trust you. Before you tell people to buy something, first of all, give them value. Give them value. Before I come here and I tell you, buy this course, buy that course, you already see lots of my content where I actually explain different things to you all for free, step by step. Before I go the extra and tell you, okay, I have a course, you can go buy. I have a course on importation, but I have lots of free, valuable content packed on this channel on importation, where some people go and learn without buying my course. They are successful at importation. Now, when I go the extra and I tell them, okay, I have a course, they pay for it. Why? Because they trust me. If only can deliver this free content, I mean, if you pay for a course, then you're definitely going to get extra. That is the mindset that people have. And then they come and pay for my course. Of course, they get value from it. So you need to learn to build trust online. People need to trust you. That is why I say this at the beginning of this challenge. You need to give people value for their time. People need to connect with you, and the only way they can connect with you is through the value, through the experience you're sharing with them, through that thing you're teaching them, through that story you're telling them that can shape in and that can help them grow. You need to build that connection. You need to build trust. Again, trust is one of the most valuable assets that you can build online for you to make money, and make money fast, and even make money consistently online. Mistake number 6, why people are not making money online, is that they expect money without solving problems. That is not possible. Okay, look at it this way. Restaurants, they are solving hunger problem. The tailor out there, they are solving clothing problem. The doctor out there, they are solving illness problem. The market woman out there, they are solving hunger problem. You need to go buy for them from you to cook. What am I saying? You need to solve a problem for you to earn money online. The same applies all around. You cannot just come online and expect the online space to start giving you money. I said it earlier day one, that the internet doesn't pay you. People actually pay you. And for people to pay you, they should be getting something in return. What problem are you solving? So the question you should be asking right now is not, how can I make money online? But instead, ask, whose problem can I solve today? Whose problem can I solve today? That is where your money lies. That single shift in thinking can transform your business and take it to a greater height. Whose problem can I solve right now? Not how can I make money online. Come on, guys. You need to solve a problem for you to make money from the online space. The 7th reason why you're not making money online is you're not treating it as a business. Some people see the online space or creating content online or doing things online as a hobby and not as a business. You need to be serious with it. You need to, take it as a business, because that is what it is. People are making millions from this online space, and you're just here posting one video in a month. You expect to make money from that? Obviously, no. How will you reach your target audience? How will people that need, how will people that need the service you're offering, how will they see you if you're only showing up a month, if you're not improving on your skill? What I'm trying to say right now is you need to start seeing the space, the online space, as a business space. I said it 2 days ago or yesterday that the online space is a marketplace. It is a marketplace, and when you come to a market to sell and make money, you need to be serious. You need to be tracking your sales. You need to see what is working and improve on your own skill. You need to work with strategy. You need to create a schedule that will work for you. These are things you need to put in place before coming to the marketplace to trade, to sell. If you're not doing the same online, best believe you're not going to make money. It is a business place, and it should be treated as such. Now, this is the encouraging part. All these mistakes I've mentioned, there are things you can correct. If you're already in the process and you've been making these mistakes, no qualms, no cause for alarm, because they can be corrected. You don't need to be the smartest person for you to make money online. You don't need millions or even thousands of followers for you to make money online. You don't need all the equipment and tools for you to make money online. You just need to have the willingness to learn, and that is why we have this challenge. That is why I came up with this challenge to, explain everything in details, open your eyes to opportunities. That is why this challenge is here. You just need the willingness to learn, to develop, to correct your mistakes, and to be consistent at doing the things you need to do. That is all you need. So I need you to open up your notebook right now, pick your pen, write those mistakes you've been making. Those mistakes I have mentioned that, you they do those things, you know those mistakes, write them down. You can equally write them down in the comments, right? And write down how you are going to start improving on it, how you're going to start correcting them. That is the action you need to put in place right now. Please let me also say something. Don't go through this challenge just watching videos and writing down. As you're watching videos, as you're writing down, I need you to start putting all of these into practice. Start practicalizing them. That is where the momentum is. I need you to be in motion with me. Let's move together. So I will see you tomorrow. The 3 promises to be packed, the 3 promises to be a lot. So ensure you don't miss out, and do me one favor, guys. Share this video. Don't gain everything alone. That will be selfishness. Or what do you think? Share this video with people you know, people you love, people you genuinely care about, because they need to join this challenge, so all of us can start making real money, sustainable income from the online space. I remain your one and only Onye Onwura, and you already know I love you all.